Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to AnkiNish Creations. Today I'm going to be sharing a simple and beautiful abstract Krishna painting. This is inspired from the Ganesha painting I made earlier, and so many of you requested to make similar kind of painting. So here I am. I'm using a round canvas of 30 centimeters diameter, neon acrylic paints, metallic gold and violet and white, black and red acrylic paints. Now let's get started with the painting. So I'm starting with a coat of white acrylic paint as a base on the canvas, and I'll let that paint dry and then we'll start painting our abstract background. Starting with the neon yellow paint in the center first, I'm just trying to make a circle with this paint and spreading it nicely, and then I'll move on with neon orange paint, and we'll try to cover around the yellow paint and try to blend these two colors together. So the Ganesha painting I did was on a very large canvas, so I have used multiple colors in that one, but I'm just using few colors from that in this one, as this canvas is really small compared to Ganesha one, but the technique is same. How I made the abstract background in that is how I'm making the abstract background in this one. So now I'm using neon pink acrylic paint and trying to blend that in with orange and yellow one. So with abstract background painting, there is no any kind of rule or technique. You just have to work through till you are satisfied with the look of the painting. So it cannot be same anytime. Either you use the same technique, same colors, whatever you do, it will turn out little bit different every time. So just work your way through, choose your colors, choose your strokes, how you want your strokes to look like, and just go on with the flow and work on with your colors and work on your background till you are satisfied with how it looks. Sometimes it's very fast to paint an abstract background, and sometimes it takes a little bit of more time, because it only depends, like if you are satisfied with the background, it's done, and if you're not, you can go on for like whole day to make yourself satisfied with how it looks. So I'm working on it to make it kind of what I like. I have let the first layer of paint dry, and then I went on with more layer of paint on top of it to make it more vibrant, and at the end I'm adding some metallic gold somewhere here and there, and again working on with pink and different colors to cover up some areas of gold where I felt like I have put more gold, and this is how it always goes on. Now when my base has dried completely and I'm happy with it, I'm using some white acrylic paint and just using two brush, one to dab onto like a hammer like this on another brush to create some white dots on the two sides of the canvas. And now I'll let this background dry completely before we start painting Krishna on top of it, and this is how the background looks. I'm really satisfied with it right now. It took me a lot of time, like how I estimated, but I'm good with it how it looks now. Now I have taken two A4 size printer paper, and I will put my canvas on top of it and make a circle like this to have an idea where I should draw my Krishna face and flute. So I always draw on rough paper first so that I have an idea how to draw it on the main canvas. So here I'm now drawing on the main canvas. This actually minimizes the error, because you know the placement, because I don't want to erase on canvas much, not to spoil the paint on it, because it has not been drying too much like for a long time now. It has only been 1 hour, so I don't want to take risk. So now I'm drawing my Krishna painting on top of it, and then I'll use black acrylic paint to give it an outline. Now I'm using a very thin pointed brush and black acrylic paint to give my design an outline. You can also use black gel pen or a good quality black marker if you're not comfortable with paint and brush. But I like doing it with paintbrush. I don't know, it gives a different kind of satisfaction. मेरे हाथ भी बहुत ज़्यादा शेक हो जाते हैं कभी कभी जब मैं ऐसा कुछ ड्रॉ करती हूँ विद पेंट ब्रश, क्योंकि थोड़ी बहुत सी भी गलती ना पूरे लुक को बिगाड़ सकती है. सो बट इट्स ओके, आई रियली एंजॉय पेंटिंग इट विद brush rather than a gel pen or a marker, but you can choose whatever you are comfortable in and enjoy while you are painting a painting. After this, to paint peacock's feather, I am using metallic pearl colors to give the peacock feather a highlight and make it colorful. I'll link all the materials I'm using in this video in the description box below, so you can check that out if you want to buy something and make this painting. So yeah, make it in a colorful way or just leave it with the black border outline. It's up to you. You can decide whatever you feel like doing it. And now the last thing, to add a more highlight part, I am adding a rhinestone in the center of the tikka with like blue shade rhinestone. I think it looks so good. And now for the border, I'm using gold paint marker, acrylic paint marker, to give the border to my painting, and also I'll paint on the sides of the canvas. And yeah, then I'll be done with my Krishna abstract painting. And this is how it looks at the end. It is so like minimal, but it looks colorful as well. I love it. Let me know what you all think about this painting in the comment section below. And if you want more abstract painting in future, also let me know that in the comment section below. And yeah, like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video. It will really help me to grow my channel. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.